Hey everyone, welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. Today we are creating thriller cinematic title effect. Like this. So let's start it. As usual, first create a new composition. I am using 1920 by 1080 pixel 25 frame per second. Now select the text tool and type any text, as you like. Now, align text center of the comp. I am going little smaller this text. But you are free to use any style as you like. I am just show you example. Now select the text layer and open it. Go to animate, and select tracking option. Go to first frame of the composition, and add a keyframe on tracking amount. Now go forward around 10 seconds, and change the tracking amount around 0 to 40. Now convert this text layer into 3D layer, press S for scaling, and scale down little bit. Our cinematic title text too close to upper text, so adjust the line height little bit. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now, create a new camera. I am using 50mm preset camera. Go to first frame of camera, hit P for position and change the Z value around -4000%, and add a keyframe. Now go to 10 second forward and change the Z position value around -2500%. Now drag the smoke footage into timeline, and convert into 3D layer. Hit P for position and move far to Z position. And scale it according to composition. I am move this Z position around 6800%. Now create a adjustment layer. Go to Effect and Preset panel and search Curve Effect, apply it on adjustment layer, adjust the curve according to your footage. I am going to use blue tint into our footage. You are free to adjust curve according to you. I am just show you example. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now, go to project window and drag the particle footage into timeline, change mode normal to screen, and convert into 3D layer. Hit P for position and change the Z position closer to camera. In my case it around -2000%, you are free to use your own setting. Now, drag smoke layer above the text layer. Move the layer little bit closer to text layer. Change mode normal to screen. Scale it little bit, and change the position according to your text, because whenever our smoke overlap our text, it's reveal our text layer. select text layer, and hit T for opacity. Go to around 10 second and add a keyframe, change value 100 to 0%. Then go few frame backward and change value 100%. Select text layer and change track matte normal to luma matte. If you not found this, press F4. Perfect, it's look good to me. Go to around 10 second and hit press N for 10 second timeline. Our animation done. Hit 0 for render. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and enjoy this tutorial. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and subscribe our channel for more tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.